Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're gonna see how we can track any storm that is forming live in the entire world. To do that we have to go to the site zoom.earth and then we have to go to the drop down and select storm tracks, and if you just click on that, now it is showing all the storms that is happening live in the entire world. And you can see there is one storm happening and it is also showing the possible direction of that storm. So if you just click on that, it is further showing all the details along with the wind speed and also the time of arrival of that storm. And also we can track the live wind direction, so we have to click on the drop down and then click on wind, and this way we can track the live wind direction in the entire world. And also we can track the rain radar, and also we can track the fire and heat, and also we can have the live satellite image. And you can see the live satellite image that shows the cyclone that is forming right here. So this is the way we can track the live storm that is happening in the entire world. So hope this video is helpful to you. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.